Hey guys, but I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October for you guys. I am so excited because this is actually a PR box. I just got onto Ipsy's PR and I'm so grateful to you guys because if you guys didn't watch these videos, then I probably wouldn't have got on it. So I'm so excited, so thrilled, grateful. And yeah, so I am still subscribed to them myself, and I will be doing a not PR unboxing just like I do with my other subscriptions as well when I get my regular Ipsy. So I don't know if you guys like that. Let me know down below. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed. Stick around. I'd love to have you. Hit that little red button, and I do have my Instagram and everything down below where I mainly do my giveaways and things like that. So if you want to follow me there, go. I've been doing so many little mini makeup tutorials on the reels. I am on it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. And I did do a little bit of a try on. So I tried on 2 of the products. Can you guess what they are? Nope. Okay, so the first thing in here, and I don't think I have a card, do I? Oh yeah, I have a card, but I don't know why they do this lately. Where they don't put the prices. You have to look online for them and stuff like that. But I will definitely try to look for them online and then maybe put them here or put at least the total or anything like that. So first thing in here is Ipsy Your Magic. So it's this black, right, it's a candle? Yeah, it's a candle. It's a black candle, which just brings me to like Hocus Pocus. You know how it's like a black candle, like the Virgin can't light it. Obviously I have a baby, so not there, but but this is really nice. Oh, and it has kind of like a fall, what is that, like a wooden, like mahogany kind of smell or something. Yeah, so I will definitely be lighting this. I'll probably put this in my bathroom because this is like a 1 wick. But this is super cute. I love this. And I am all about Halloween. Like this month is my birthday. I love anything that has to do with Halloween, witches, the whole 9 yards. Like that's my jam. So next thing in here, ooh, is a little, what is this called? Like the little headband thing to go to sleep with. This is really nice, especially like if you go on trips or on airplanes. And it seems to be like silk. It's really nice, and it has their little logo on it. And next thing in here is one of the products that I actually tried because I own this and love it. This is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and basically this is just a setting powder. It's a translucent. It doesn't leave a white cast. It's mattifying on the skin, but not to the point where it looks dry. So I really appreciate their products and their packaging. So this is the one that I own. This is so cute. It has the little stars and the little bow on it, and as you can see there, it's just a white translucent powder. I also own their coconut one and I love it. So I went ahead and just tried that on for you guys in the try on portion, but most of this video is going to be just the unboxing. So this little extra one I'm probably gonna add to all the products that I do on my giveaway. So if you're interested, definitely subscribe or follow me on Instagram as well. I am putting together quite a bit of things to do a giveaway here on YouTube for you guys. I have been listening to you guys that some of you guys don't have Instagram, and those who do, go follow me. I do little makeup related stuff over there, reels, tutorials, and also at least like I'm gonna try to start doing at least 1 giveaway a month to just give back to you guys. So also, okay, so this is the bag this month. Oh, this is so cute. It says Your Magic, and then on the other side, look at that. It is so freaking cute. The little $12 bag has the same kind of print on it. I am all about like witches and stuff, like I've previously said, and this is like witches mixed with makeup, so Mama's keeping this bag. And you guys know how I feel about the bags because I feel like sometimes it's overwhelming the amount of bags you get being subscribed like year after year with these. So I pick and choose which ones I keep, and this is definitely a keeper for me. I think that that's so cute. Okay, so next product in here is this palette right here. This is a quad palette by Illuminati. So that's what it looks like right there. I have never tried this brand, but I will definitely try this on my Instagram. I will do a reel with it. So definitely go follow me. I do little makeup reels over there. And finally, Instagram is letting me save them on my grid. So those are the shades right there. Is that not so pretty? So pretty. So we'll do that. And I think I said the same thing in my try on portion. I showed you guys the swatches and was like, I'm gonna use this on my reels. So if it sounds like deja vu, it is. Next thing in here is the Huda Mauve Obsessions. And that's actually the try on that I did, was using that on my eyes. I basically only use like I want to say like 4 or 5 shades on here. This is so nice. I only owned one of these, which was the purple one. So I think that is so nice to have like another one. And these are nice. I love that they're portable. They're small. They come with 9 shades. Her formula is really nice. It even has a little mirror. And those are the shades right there. I actually nicked it with the brush, so I jacked that one up. But very, very beautiful. And you get a good variety of mattes and some shimmers in there. And they perform so beautifully. I actually really enjoy her formula. Next thing in here is a brush, and this is by the brand Firma, and this is the 103. So I've never tried this. It looks like a really nice, you know, like blush brush. I think I might just I don't know if I'll put this in a giveaway or not, so we shall see. But very beautiful. It looks like a very sturdy, nice brush. And then what else is in here? Okay, next up is Filorga. I'm just butchering names. This is the Oxygen Glow Eye. So this is a Radiance Eye Care. So I'm thinking that this is just like an eye cream basically, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. So I will also be adding this because I'm gonna do like a skincare giveaway. So I'll put like a whole bunch of products that are skincare related, and this one will go in there as well, because right now I'm using like 3 or 4 eye creams. So I'd rather give back to you guys. Okay, and the last thing in this is this. I don't know what this is. Larousse. It looks like an envelope right there. Oh, okay, so it looks like brushes. That's weird because they had already sent a brush. Ooh, these are so pretty. I love the handle. Let me pop one of these out so you can see what the handle looks like. Those are so cute and look very like Halloweenish too. Like it has like that texture to it, and it's black. I like that. I think I'm gonna keep these just because I like the aesthetic of it. So you have a kind of powder brush. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, it says tapered face, so it's more like, but you could use this for powder if you wanted to. You have a contour blending. We have a flat angled. Ooh, this is good for chiseling out your face. We have the, okay, there's 4 of them. Oh, and this is a good buffing. This is the Kabuki for foundation. So, ooh, these are nice. These just look gorgeous. Yeah, so I'm gonna be definitely adding these to my collection. I love the handles on these. These are so cute. So the next thing I'm gonna do is show you guys the try on portion. I just kind of did the powder and one of the palettes for you guys, so you guys can kind of see the application of that real quick. And then I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. First thing that I'm going to apply is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I actually already own this, so I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush. This doesn't have any kind of smell or anything. It's just a translucent powder that's really nice for just setting your whole face. It is very mattifying, but not in a way where it looks way too matte on the skin. So I really like this one, and I absolutely love their coconut one. If you've ever tried, if I would choose one, it would be the coconut one, but this one is really nice as well. I do have it in rotation as well. Then next I'm going to be playing with the palettes that came in here, and basically I have these 2. So this is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. I don't own this one, so I'm excited to add this one to my collection. This is just perfect for fall. And this one is more of a beautiful bronze for fall as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show some swatches of these. I've never played with this brand, Illuminati, but it looks very, very beautiful. Just a very gorgeous quad. And those are the swatches right there. And yeah, I think I will use this on my Instagram. I do a lot of reels, like makeup tutorials over there. So I will use this on my Instagram sometime this week for you guys. And I'll go ahead and play with Miss Huda right now. So we're gonna go ahead and use this little 9-pan palette, and I'm gonna use first the white shade just to set everything in place. Even though this eye primer that I use from Anastasia is like pretty good, but we'll just use this as my eyebrow kind of like highlight a little bit. And I love these kind of bone colors as well to blend out the crease. If you have a little bit too much harshness, you can go in with like a little brush like this and just, you know, tone it down a little bit if you need to. So using the same brush, I'm gonna use this beautiful mauve shade over here. This is like a mid-tone mauve, and use that as my crease. Next shade that I'm going to go into is this beautiful dark burgundy, and I'm just going to darken up that outer crease and lid part. I'm just going to keep this look very, very simple, just something that you could probably wear to work. Well, I would anyway. And then taking the same brush that I was using, where did I put you? I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful shade right here, this shimmer shade, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. And like I said, I'm just going to keep this pretty simple. And then I'll probably use this light one on the inner corner. I'm getting a little bit of fallout. Let me see if it'll look a little bit better with my finger. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm going to use that light shade and apply that to the inner corner. And then for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go ahead and use this brown shade in the middle, and then just keep it a little bit neutral on the under eye. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish and do the same thing to the other eye, put on some lashes and the rest of my face, and come back. For my final thoughts, I have to say this bag is amazing. There's 3 or 4, yeah, I think like 4 of the products that I'm super excited. The brushes, the Ciate powder, I already know I love. And then the 2 palettes were really, really great. I kind of got on late to pick my choices just because I was having issues with the app. So I will show you guys my bag when it comes on, when it comes in, because literally none of these products are in my bag. So you guys can see those whenever mine comes in. But I think that this is amazing. I love the little extra detail of the little candle, and I don't know if that's like in everyone's box or if that was just for the PR box, so definitely let me know. I will let you guys know when mine comes in. You guys will see what the difference is between the PR one and my own that I pay for. So let me know your thoughts down below. Follow me on my social media, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.